Africa is young. More than 60% of its population is under 25. This is not just a statistic. It is the heartbeat of a revolution. A revolution that is silent, unstoppable, and already shaping Africa's destiny. Every day, millions of young Africans are entering classrooms, graduating from universities, and stepping into the workforce. But unlike generations before, today's youth are connected, informed, and bold. They refuse to be silent passengers in the journey of Africa. They demand change, accountability, and opportunity. From fintech in Nigeria to solar startups in Kenya, from AI hubs in Ghana to e-commerce platforms in South Africa, African youth are using technology to leapfrog barriers. With just a smartphone, a young African can create, connect, and compete with the world. This is the power of the digital generation, Africa's silent but powerful weapon. But it is not only about innovation. Africa's youth are also at the forefront of resistance. They are the voices behind movements demanding democracy, justice, and dignity. From the streets of Ouagadougou to the protests in Lagos, young Africans are proving that silence is no longer an option. This revolution is also cultural. Through music, art, and fashion, young Africans are rewriting the story of the continent. They are proud, unapologetic, and determined to define Africa, not by its struggles, but by its resilience and creativity. Africa's future is not tomorrow. It is already happening today. The world is beginning to notice. Global powers are watching. But the real power lies in the hands of Africa's young men and women, millions of dreamers, fighters, and builders, too. This is Africa's silent revolution, a revolution of numbers, ideas, and courage. A revolution that will define not just Africa, but the future of the entire world. The youth are not waiting. They are already changing Africa. Do you believe Africa's youth will transform the continent? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories of Africa's hope and resilience.